So here's number 3. I sold number 1. I got number 2. And now this is number 3. I was too stubborn to let it go. So I overpaid by hundreds. But it's mine. I just had to see it. So supposedly, according to the listing description, it's brand new. Never taken out of the box. And that could very well be true, but because of it, people get this idea that it's perfect, and they pay exorbitant amounts of money for them, which is unnecessary, because even though they're brand new, they aren't perfect. You have to inspect them before you buy them. But this being such a rare model, this is my second one in the collection, and I really wanted it, so. I do apologize about the 737 not being filmed in 4K 60 frames a second. I didn't realize that happened. So here we go. Unboxing, supposedly. Brand new. United. 777. 200. Okay, that doesn't make any sense. Caught on an edge there. Okay. Just beautiful. Yeah. All right. None of them are perfect. She's a beaut, though, that's for sure. Beautiful finish. If I could trade the wings off my other one for this fuselage, we would be good. Pratt & Whitney engines. Absolutely gorgeous. All right. Gear didn't turn out so well. Yeah. All right. Let's put it all together, set it down, take a look. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Good finish. My only nitpick is that imperfection on that engine. But all in all, very, very good. So let's bring in United's Max 8 and the 777-200. Put this one on the stand. Gorgeous finish on the engines. The only real problem with this one is that little piece right there. Other than that, like this model is good. So all in all, I'm very happy. Yeah, United 777-200, number 3, United 737 Max 8, and one more unboxing to do, the United 757-300. So, hope you enjoyed. We'll show you them all together eventually. See you in the next one.